Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll break down what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's changing the world. Let's dive in. So, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital ledger that securely records transactions across a network of computers. Imagine a database that's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. Data is stored in blocks, and once a block is confirmed, it can't be altered. How does blockchain work? When a transaction happens, it's broadcast to the network. Computers called nodes verify the transaction, and once validated, it gets added to the blockchain in a new block. These blocks are linked together, forming a chain that's almost impossible to tamper with. The key features of blockchain is decentralized, transparent, and immutable, meaning once something's recorded, it can't be changed. This makes it secure, fast, and efficient. Applications beyond crypto. It's not just for cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is revolutionizing industries like supply chain management, voting, and even digital identities. So that's blockchain in a nutshell. A game changer for the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto insights.